After installing Shop Floor Manager for the first time, or if you encountered an error where you will need to reinstall Shop Floor Manager's license and activation key, use the following video as a guide for entering or re-entering these files. It is important that you follow this video exactly or the installation of these files may fail. If you have any problems, please contact CCI at 1-781-933-9500 and ask for support. Thank you for trying Shop Floor Manager. When Shop Floor Manager starts in demo mode, either after the initial installation or when an unexpected error occurs, perform the following procedure to re-enter the license and activation key. First, make sure you have the original license and activation key before starting. In the latest versions of Shop Floor Manager you can find a copy of the license and activation key where the database is located, in a folder called Licenses. Don't start until you have the latest license and activation key. If you can't find your original license and activation key, please do one of the following: call CCI at 1-781-933-9500, email to sales@shopfloormanager.com or go to http://www.shopfloormanager.com and fill out the contact page. We will need all your contact information before we can help. If you don't have a maintenance contract, there will be a $150 charge for reproduction. Before we email you a replacement license and activation key, we will check to make sure you are a valid customer. Before you start the installation of the license and activation key, you need to make sure that all instances of Shop Floor Manager have been shut down. Any running instance of any of Shop Floor Manager's applications, including the maintenance engine, must be shut down. The only instance that should be running is the one where you are entering the license and activation key. This procedure will not work if all instances of Shop Floor Manager's applications are not shut down before starting. First, make sure you have a copy of the license and activation key for this instance of Shop Floor Manager. You can only legally use this license and activation key for one instance of Shop Floor Manager and for the company indicated on the license and activation key. After starting Shop Floor Manager you will need to log in as administrator, which may require a password. After logging in, you will see a notice indicating that you need to enter an activation key. You may also see a reference to when the license expires. Click the OK button and let Shop Floor Manager start up. This may take a few seconds before Shop Floor Manager runtime is displayed. When Shop Floor Manager starts up you will see a red exclamation icon displayed near the bottom, indicating you are running in demo mode. Click on the File menu in the left-hand side of Shop Floor Manager. Click on the Install License menu selection and navigate to where the license file is located. Click on the license file and then the Open button and a notice will be displayed indicating that the maintenance engine appears to be running. If it is not running, click the Yes button or shut down the maintenance engine, and then click the Yes button. A second warning is issued. Assuming the maintenance engine is not running, click the OK button. Now click on the File menu in the left-hand side of Shop Floor Manager and click on the Enter Activation Key menu. Now click on the Browse button and navigate to the License and Activation Key folder. Click on the Activation Key file and then the Open button. Now click on the Apply button and a notice will be displayed indicating that the maintenance engine appears to be running. If it is not running, click the Yes button or shut down the maintenance engine, and then click the Yes button. A second warning is issued. Assuming the maintenance engine is not running, click the OK button. Once this is complete you should be able to operate Shop Floor Manager as normal. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please visit our website https://www.shopfloormanager.com. You can also call 1-781-933-9500 for additional help.